Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix storage full in OneDrive app at 2025. So the storage full happens when your OneDrive account reaches its storage limit or phone sync settings try to upload more files than your quota allows. So at first you will need to check your storage usage. So open the OneDrive app and tap me or the profile icon that's located on the top left. Okay, so actually on iOS you can see it on the bottom right. So just go ahead, tap the profile icon and then go with storage from here. Okay, or you can find it just on the settings and personal, and yeah, there you go. So right here you can see the used versus the total space and what is taking up space. Okay, so to free up space there are several options. So at first you can delete the unnecessary files, so you can go with the files from here and my files, and right here you can tap on these three buttons and you can delete the files and go to your to the file icon, recycle bin, and delete them from your recycle bin. You can also go ahead and remove the large files with the same way. The other option to free up space is to stop the camera upload temporarily. So to do that, you can go with the profile icon, go with the settings, and yeah, go with camera backup, and right here enable these options or toggle them off, and then go with backup device folders and turn off the camera. So by tapping on it you can uncheck it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.